Welcome to Linkee AI. Let me show you how simple it is to create an AI-powered link insertion campaign. First, click on New Campaign button. Choose Link Insertion as a campaign type. From the drop-down, click on My Project. Enter a campaign name. Assign to users. If you do not have users now, no problem. You can always add them later on. Input your focus keyword. Select website category from the drop-down. You can choose between blog, business, e-commerce, and other categories. Specify the number of prospects you need. Now, in just a few minutes, Linkee AI is going to show you the exact number of qualified prospects that you requested. Now you can qualify the opportunities further by clicking on Match or Mismatch, or you can go to the Cleanup section and manually review each website for relevance. After validating the opportunities, go to the Prospect section. Here you'll find the emails from the website. You can select and verify the emails as you go. For verification, click Verify Emails button. If you need more emails, you can click on Get Emails button as well. This will provide you with additional contact details from the website. Next, head to the Compose section where you can adjust your sending settings and scheduling. From the settings, you can connect your email account, which is a simple process. You need to just log into your email account and connect, choosing the email provider. After choosing the email account, you can also use features like open tracking, tweak your daily limits, and skip follow-ups on open emails. You can also adjust scheduling by changing the outreach dates, the timing for the outreach, time zone, and also the days of the outreach. In the pitching section, you need just to input your pitch, which I have a saved template. You can adjust your pitch, save all the settings, and just click on Launch to launch your first link insertion campaign.